name is Buchi. I'm here at Clintonel Innovation Center. Welcome to the E4I Academy. So today we are going to talk about 3D printing. Printing is not printing in a book. 3D printing is creating three-dimensional objects. I can print something like this with a 3D printer. But how will I do that? The first process of 3D printing starts in a CAD software. The CAD software we are using now is Autodesk Fusion 360. So I want to create a little table with 4 legs and a 3D printed joint. Now, the first thing I have to do is to create the model, which I have done. The second thing is to move to a slicing software. The slicing software allows me to convert the 3D model into what we call a G-code. So to do that, I'm going to slice. After the slicing, I'm going to insert an SD card, and I'm going to export the G-code to the SD card. I'm going to take the SD card, so I'm going to insert the SD card to the printer, and I'm going to choose what I'm going to print. We've completed the 3D model. We have it here. We have it here. And we have this other one. And we have our steel pipe. So I'm just going to insert a steel pipe to this part and insert this here.
My name is I'm here for the E4I training program. This morning we are given a task to design our own cup, the plates and the sprockets. And now we are in the workshop. We'll be introduced to the 3D printing machine. We'll be starting our project in earnest to 3D print all that we've designed in our Fusion 360. We'll be 3D printing it by ourselves as a project.
My name is Edith, a graduate from Abubakar Tafawa Balewa University. I studied computer and communication engineering, and while I'm done with my service, I'm a technical writer and a software developer. So I've come to acquire more skills on how to implement on computer-aided designs.
I actually love this training method because it's learning by practice. It's not class-based learning method of theory. It's practical-based, where you do it, you see your error, you learn from it, and you advance, make research. Thank you. So we are looking forward to carrying out our projects.
Wow, this is awesome. Hi guys, we just finished the printing. As you can see, a model of this, starting from the design, the modeling, the slicing, and then getting the card reader and into the system. We faced a number of difficulties, as it's from putting in the PLA into the extruder. We had a challenge in the extruder, and we had to uncouple everything and fix it back, and it was a hassle. But yeah, right now we want to print a sprocket, this right here. So I've sliced it and I put it into the system, and what is going on right now is the bed is heating. This is the bed area, and after the bed is done heating, the extruder is going to start heating, and when it gets to a certain degrees, which is around 215 degrees, then it would now start printing. Now, the reason is because why I said at 215 degrees is because this PLA, the specification for this PLA is 250 degrees and not more. So as you can see, it's about to start printing, and yeah, hopefully we get exactly what, certainly we'll get exactly what we have designed.
Yeah, my name is Akin. I'm actually not happy right now. We were trying to 3D print our project, our design actually, and we've been here since morning. And the other machine is having UPS, so we are cool with that. But I think we're having a power issue. So I think they changed it over, and before you know, this machine have to start afresh again. So I'm really sad right now.
We're about printing our first design with the SnapMaker printing machine, and we've actually encountered an issue with the leveling of the bed. We tried leveling the bed, which is faulty, but we're actually not getting it right. Right now we're trying to print the heel of a shoe, which you can actually see what's the faulty bed. Because we're not getting the bed right, this is what it's actually printing, which is not what we expected or what we need. We're using the paper to check if the upper and the lower part of the bed is tight. I can apply it in both science, technology, engineering, and so it also helped me in preparing for the future work, where I can actually work in an organization and also help impact both on the younger ones, that is the newbies that will be coming up.